Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a bootable USB drive for the Windows 10 using the media creation tool from the Microsoft. So let's start. First of all, you need to open the Microsoft website to download media creation tool. Go to the following link, microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 10. Once you are landed on that page, scroll down a bit and here you can see the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section. Click the button Download Tool now. So once downloaded, go to the Downloads folder. And run the media creation tool. Double click to run it. Click yes to allow it. It's just start gathering the system information and it may take few seconds. On the first screen, you need to accept the license term. Click the accept button. And on the next screen, you need to select the create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Select that option, click next. Here you can select the language, architecture and the addition of the Windows 10. If you want to change these settings, you can uncheck that checkbox and select the required settings. Click next. So I am going to create a USB flash drive. Select that option, click next. Here you need to plug in a flash USB drive to your computer. That USB drive must be at least 8 GB capacity and make sure you don't have anything on that drive because this is gonna format the flash drive. So plug in the flash drive to your system. Once plugged in, here it's not loading it, so you need to click the refresh drive list and here you can see I got the G drive. Select your drive and click next. Here it's start downloading the Windows 10 from the Microsoft server. You can see the progress. This process will take some time to download and create a bootable USB drive for Windows 10. You have to wait for it. So once the USB flash drive is ready, you will see that screen. You just need to click the finish button and it will start cleaning up the temp file that the media creation tool used to create that bootable USB drive. And you can check that USB drive in the File Explorer. Open up the File Explorer and here you can see the ESD USB is ready to use. You can use this Windows 10 USB to install Windows on multiple computers. So that's it guys, this is how you can create a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.